do, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to do like a real quick 10-minute clean with me video. But before I get started, I wanted to show you guys something that I got that I'm super duper excited about. Me and my homegirls having a fun day Friday today. And I had to help and clean this place up before I leave because it's going to be an interesting weekend. So today, Fun Day Friday, my homegirls and I, we're gonna take it back when we were young and play baseball. So I got this foam baseball bat, and it comes with a ball. So we're gonna be playing baseball with this foam baseball bat. And I got all of these from Hobby Lobby. I got the bubble one. So, wait, this is not open. Let me get one that's open. I got the bubble one, so let me remove my coffee. To blow. I'm super excited, y'all. Like, guys, you just don't understand how happy I am about this. And then there's another thing that I want to show you guys that I got before I start cleaning. I got this paint by number kit. So pretty much we're gonna be, well, all of us got different picture, but I will be painting this. It's a paint by number. It's very relaxing. It keeps you, it's pretty much a great way to escape. This is a great way to escape from any problems you may have temporarily. You can't escape for too long, but this is not like an all day thing. We're probably gonna be doing this for like maybe an hour and then go outside and play baseball, blow some wands. I got some cute stuff. And I got this make good use of today. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is so cute. All right, so let's get to cleaning. Alright, you guys, I had to put my camera down to hang this. The command strip came with a small little mini green leveler. I thought I was gonna have to use mine, which that is pretty cool. It pretty much lets you know that your pictures is center and straight, it's not crooked or anything. So this is how it's looking. I am planning on getting 3 white and gold hooks that I saw at Target, and I'm just gonna put it under my quote to hang my keys or my purse or whatever. So make good use of today. I like this quote. I like it a lot. Make good use of today. Alright, you guys, I forgot to close out this video, but thank you for watching Nella at Home. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thumbs this video up. Until next time, my beautiful people, peace out.